Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the CORSAIR 4000D RS frame, modular, high airflow mid-tower PC case, don't forget that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. This makes it super easy for you to grab one at a great price while supplies last. The CORSAIR 4000D RS is a standout choice for PC builders who value both customization and airflow. Its frame modular system is truly revolutionary, allowing users to tailor the case to their specific needs. Whether you want to upgrade the motherboard tray to a billet aluminum version or swap the front I/O panel for additional USB ports, this case adapts with you. This flexibility means it can grow alongside your build or simply match your current preferences. Airflow is a major focus here, with 3 pre-installed CORSAIR RS PWM fans at the front. These fans support daisy-chainable 4-pin PWM connections and feature a 0 RPM mode, which keeps your system whisper quiet during low loads. The InfiniRail fan mounting system is another highlight, offering unmatched versatility. You can slide the steel multi-point rail to position fans up to 200 mm in the front and 140 mm on the roof wherever you want, targeting airflow exactly where your components need it most. Cable management is handled elegantly with a removable internal side panel near the motherboard tray. You can use it as a cover for clean, organized cables or remove it entirely to mount additional fans on the side, enhancing cooling potential further. Another great feature is its compatibility with multiple 360 mm radiators, making it a solid choice for water cooling enthusiasts. Plus, it supports reverse connector motherboards, adding to its versatility. Pros: highly modular frame system for extensive customization, excellent airflow with 3x CORSAIR RS PWM fans and InfiniRail mounting, support for multiple 360 mm radiators for advanced cooling setups, clean cable management options with removable side panel, quiet operation with 0 RPM fan mode, compatible with reverse connector motherboards. Cons: modular features might be overwhelming for beginners. Larger footprint may require ample desk or case space overall. The CORSAIR 4000D RS is a premium mid-tower case that balances aesthetics, airflow, and customization. Whether you're a seasoned builder or looking to future-proof your setup, this case offers flexibility and performance that can adapt to your evolving needs. Remember, the link to purchase the CORSAIR 4000D RS at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to secure your build upgrade today.